Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little different. This is the Lego electric vehicle, number 60383. It's got 95 pieces and it looks pretty cool with all the EVs and Teslas. They are so hot right now. I thought this was an interesting kit to get. I think it was on sale. I probably got it for like I don't know, 30% off. Got it for like maybe $6.99. Here's the instructions. Looks like 53 pages of instructions. Let's get started. The driver, okay, the nice thing about filming in this spray booth, this lighted spray booth, besides the fact that the lighting is so great, is that if you're building Lego, all the pieces, they stay put. They're not gonna go anywhere and get lost. Okay, interesting guy. Lego is one of my favorite toys. I have a whole backlog and archive of Lego sets that I haven't built yet. I need to get to them. Okay, so this looks like to be the charging station. Okay, here's the printed solar panels. That's interesting. Although I know from experience you're not going to collect a lot of electricity from a small panel like that. Okay, so I guess this is the chassis of a car, and I'm definitely not a fan of this because, come on, this is like... It's just a giant piece of plastic. The whole point of Lego is that you want to assemble things from smaller parts. Even they have the axles, right, all in the same piece. Disappointing because come on, if you wanted to make something different, a different kind of vehicle, maybe you want to move the axes and the wheels around, right? This is not good. The steering wheel. This steering wheel piece hasn't changed in ages. It's the same one from like 20-30 years ago, which isn't a bad thing. I guess this is the rear bumper. They have these, printed battery. Here's batteries. These are literally batteries. It's got a positive and negative terminals. I don't think the batteries on the real EV cars look like this. Here it is again. I wonder when they will license the Tesla cars. The Cybertruck is going to be coming out soon, and it's something completely unique and interesting. It would be something completely different, different kind of vehicle that Lego has modeled before. This is a very interesting yellow color, very bright, almost radioactive yellow, and it's weird. This yellow makes it look like cheap plastic. Obviously, it's not, but it's kind of like what you the kind of yellow that some knockoff Lego would look like. Here's another printed part. I don't know what this design is for though. Okay, so this EV has a spoiler. Interesting. Must be some kind of a sports car EV. And then two of these, that's interesting, they're two identical pieces for the canopy. I guess it does give it a very aerodynamic effect. And then we're going to put the tires together. So one of those, fun facts you hear thrown around is that Lego is the biggest producer of rubber tires in the world. And they're not lying, right? So, yeah. Okay, well, there it is. We have a few extra parts, as they always do. They give you an extra one of these hoses. Or charging cables, and you can pose it like they do in the instructions. So I guess he's got the charging cable hooked up to the car, and he's holding the charging cable. Although I don't think he needs to hold it. It's not like he's pumping gas. Let's see what he looks like going inside. Okay, he looks just fine. This actually looks nice as a convertible. I love convertibles, so I can definitely see this as a convertible. But maybe the windshield is a little bit too big. Maybe I need to replace it with a smaller windshield. Anyway, let's put the other half back on. I guess it's pretty cool. I mean, it's interesting. They've never done an EV before. I guess this is their imagined EV. They should probably make some models of the actual EVs out there. Like that. Also built the Lego EV car recently, and let's see if this car goes in as well. It does. Nice, very nice. What I need is what I need is one more car to make it all filled up. Let's see how the EV car looks on the lower bay. It fits barely, but it does fit. Very nice, very nice. I like it. I like this kit. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to get one more car and have it fit in here.